Alright guys, welcome back to how to install Windows 10 on a virtual machine. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new virtual machine. So we're going to click on new and we're going to name it Windows 10. Next, and I'm going to assign about 3 gigs of memory. I mean, you could work with 2. I'm not sure what is the minimum requirement. We're going to give it about 15 gigs of about hard drive space. Yeah, that should be enough. Once we do that, we're going to go to settings, we're going to go to storage and add the ISO that we downloaded last time. Obviously, if you don't know, guys, where to download the ISO, make sure you get check out my last video how to download this official ISO from Microsoft's website. So once you click that, I'm gonna do 32-bit installation. I'm not doing 64-bit installation because it's easier on my laptop and it'd be faster too. So we're gonna click OK, and then we're gonna go ahead and say, go ahead and start the virtual machine. I'm gonna minimize the VirtualBox console. So here we go, guys. We're gonna get the installation started here for you. I'm gonna try to get the best view here so you guys can see. So it is same Windows symbol again. I don't think there's any change in there. So here we go. We can see the loading part is going. Alright, awesome. So the next step is to the setup. So yeah, English keyboard, yeah, everything looks okay here. We're gonna click on next and we're gonna click on install now. I'm not sure if it's going to be the same installation as last Windows or if it's going to be something different. So we're probably going to wait and watch, so you can see how it goes through. It looks like it's going to be the same thing, except the terms and conditions. Obviously, there's a bar at the bottom. You guys can see us what we're doing in the progress. We're going to do custom installation. Yes, we're going to use this 15 gig drive, and we're going to click on next. Alright guys, so this is the installation process. This is how you start the installation. So as soon as get to like 5%, I'm going to pause the video, and as soon as we get close to like 99% or 90%, I will start the video again, and we'll keep walking through it together. Alright guys, I'm going to pause the video for a second here. Alright guys, so I'm back again, and it's ridiculously fast, and we're already at 88%. It's been like 1 minute and 30 seconds. So look at the speed here, guys. It's fairly fast. I do have a solid state hard drive on my laptop, so there could be a reason for that too. About we're 95%, I think. There we go, 97, 100% installing updates and finishing up. And it's probably gonna want to restart, and here we go, we're gonna restart that. And at this point, make sure you don't hit any keys, because if you hit any keys, it'll run back to the installation. So let it do whatever it does for a second. And I'm gonna bring the console back inside again so you guys can see. And we're gonna go through the initial setup process. I always like to do custom setup process because I don't want their recommended. Keep everything and report everything back to Microsoft. I'm not really a big fan of that. But definitely, if you guys are interested about Windows 10, make sure you go ahead and hit that big thumbs up. And it looks like same thing is doing the same setup as it was doing in Windows 8, getting devices ready. So here we go. It's taking a bit, getting ready. So, and in this meantime, it's probably installing the background application and all the apps and all the the games and the Explorer. It's finishing up the setup key. So I'm gonna pause the video again until it comes to the main screen. So I'll be back in just a second, guys. Alright guys, I'm back again. I think it decided to reboot on me, but it's okay. And it came up to this settings menu. So we're gonna go ahead and do a customize setup, and we're gonna say no to this, not for now. Yes, get updates, get apps, yes, and send do not. I'm gonna say yeah, keep it on for now. Yes, send location information off. Yeah, we don't want to send anything to Microsoft. Next, I usually keep everything off, but I don't like them having my advertising stuff. No, I'm gonna turn this off. This is the prediction page that it start guessing like, oh, what are you gonna do, kind of kind of things like that. So here I think this is finishing up the account installation basically that it does in all the windows. So I'm gonna pause the video again because I'm pretty sure it's gonna take like a couple seconds. Alright guys, so I'm back here, and the funny thing is now it won't let me have a personal, the local account on here. That is kind of it's scaring me a little bit. But I'm gonna put my Microsoft ID and password in there, so I'm gonna pause the video just for another second real quick so I can have. So I punched it in my Microsoft account where we downloaded the same thing, the ISO. I just put in that account, and it's saying, do you can you verify that is you? Alright, so guys, it asked me to verify my information, so I had to put in my my cell phone number to get verified and all that kind of stuff, all the good things that Microsoft does this day. But which is kind of good that they know that is you and that is your information, which is a phone verification, and I do kind of like that. And sometimes it's kind of annoying, but it is to protect you, at the end of the day. But here I'm just gonna say just sync for now. So it's gonna setting up account, it's gonna log me in and all that good stuff. So I'm just gonna wait here and see what it does. Alright guys, so now we're done with the technical preview, and it went through and did the installation. So this is how it looks like. This is how you basically install Windows 10 technical preview. But the next time, here's what I'm gonna be doing next time, guys. On my next video, I'm gonna be going over the basic features and what is new and what is gonna be the exciting features of Windows 10. So make sure you guys go ahead and join me in that, so you guys have an idea of what to expect and how do you send out notification to Microsoft and help them improve their suggestion and all that list. But till next time, guys, I'm gonna sign out, and this is basically how you install Windows 10 technical preview. And as you guys can see, the date is 10/1/2014, 12:53. So right bang on time. So make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button. I really do work hard for you guys. The only thing I expect from you guys is that like and subscribe button. So make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button, and see you guys on the next video. And thanks for watching again.